Hey guys, good morning. It's a good Sunday morning from Monroe, Georgia. AAA trucks. This is our stock number LY5968. It's a 2020 Freightliner Cascadia 126 double bunk. This particular unit's got, how many miles you got on it? She's got 560,000 miles on it. Let's look inside here. These are the trucks we got from Brown Transportation. We have a lot of them in stock, and they are all immaculate on the inside. I mean, well taken care of. You will not complain at all about the interior. Let's step on out. What else can I tell you about this truck? It's an automatic. You probably saw on the inside. We got the super singles on it. Engine is a DD15. It's 455 horsepower. This truck's nice. I mentioned it's got the super singles on it, but as always, if you've seen in my videos, we can swap those out for you. Just ask Steve and we'll see how it gets done. One good thing about this truck, well, what we're doing on all our trucks now, this has had a 128-point inspection. She's ready to hit the road. And we've also got a fresh DOT on it, so that's not something you're going to have to worry about. So come on down to AAA, make us an offer on this beautiful truck, and we'll get you rolling.